What would be your best on this guy? Do you have any idea if it's working condition or?
It works, but I think it's got to be clean.
Yeah.
You know, they all work. What do I got? 85, $60.
I'd do 40, because if it does, if one little small thing on this thing and it's basically just a boat anchor, you know how it is.
5 more.
45?
Yeah.
Throw in that candle and you got a deal.
It's not mine.
Oh.
It's the other guy's.
Okay, well, whatever. I'll give you the 45. I'll do it.
Okay.
And do you mind helping to just close it up?
Yeah, I'll close it up for you. Just goes down. That's it.
Good? Okay. Oh, perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.